A lot of customers wonder, how do I protect my giant sliding glass door set? Let me show you. A lot of customers have giant sliding glass doors and they wonder how to protect them with storm stoppers. The solution is these welded braces that we offer. The welded brace is made of 1/8 inch thick welded anodized aluminum. And the cool thing about it is it's only up during a storm. The welded brace fastens with the temporary fastener at the top and the bottom. So once the brace is up, the brace splits the window into 2 manageable sections. So when you send us the measurements, we need the overall measurement, the width and the height from the outside frame to the outside frame, or if you're direct mounting to the stucco, about a 3-inch overlap on the left, the right, and the top. So many customers are curious, will the 3M dual lock fasteners adhere to stucco? The answer is yes. It's a very strong adhesive. So for this sliding glass door, the fasteners at the bottom would adhere to this bottom threshold the whole width of the door.